Welcome to Pirate Radio. We are testing our FM stereo encoder. FM stereo broadcasters use a complex modulation system. Our FM encoder, better known as FM stereo generator, performs the multiplexing of two audio signals, and then modulates the transmitter. The FM stereo generator uses both analog and digital techniques. For complete circuit details, please refer to CircuitLib website. And now, let's cut the right audio channel, and leave only the left audio on the air. Our listeners, right now, hear the music coming from the left side. Now, let's do the opposite, and broadcast only the right audio channel. Let's go deeper into some technical details and measurements. If you have already read the tutorial in our website, you are already familiar with the 19 kHz pilot tone. At the receiver side, the 19 kHz pilot tone signals that the transmission is stereo. A single harmonic sound is applied at the right channel only. And now, we're turning on the pilot. And off again. A single harmonic sound is applied at the right channel only. Adding now, gradually, the same sound at the left channel. And back again. Thank you for watching our demonstration. If you are looking for more information on how to build the FM stereo generator, please visit www.circuitlib.com.